Welcome to the Magic of Math, where we're going to be talking about volume of a cylinder using its radius and its height. Here's our question today. We're given a right circular cylinder and some of its dimensions shown here in this diagram. We're asked which of the following is the volume in cubic inches of the cylinder, and you're given 4 answer choices. Here's where I would like you to pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see my solution. Good luck. Welcome back. Here we have a question asking us to find the volume of a cylinder. So the volume of any three-dimensional figure is volume equals the area of the base times its height. So we're going to replace this B, uppercase B, which doesn't represent the base, it represents the area of the base, with the area of a circle, because our base in a right circular cylinder is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So we can rewrite this capital B using pi r squared. So this is the volume specifically for a cylinder. Volume equals pi r squared multiplied by its height. So the area of the base of the cylinder multiplied by its height. Keeping in mind, everything has to be in inches, but they're not tricking us here. We're given the diameter in inches as well as the height. So we want to identify the radius and the height of the cylinder. So we need the radius, which we can see given here is not. This is the diameter. It's going from edge to edge of the circle, and that is 6 inches. So we know that the radius is going to be half of that because the radius goes from the center out to the edge, not passing through the center all the way. So the radius here is 3 inches. So we know what our R is. Now we need to identify our height. Our height here is given, so it connects the distance between the two bases. So between the circular bases, that distance here, that vertical distance, the way this is arranged is 9 inches, and that is our height. So now we can go and use our formula. We're going to replace R with 3 because that's our radius. Our diameter is 6, half of 6 is 3. So r squared or 3 squared multiplied by our height of 9. We can see that all of our answer choices are what we call here in terms of pi, meaning they didn't replace pi with an approximation of 3.14. They wanted it to be left exact. So we're going to leave pi as pi in our answer choice. And so here we're going to do 3 squared next. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. So we now have pi times 9 times 9. We're going to do our last product of 9 times 9, which is 81, multiplied by our pi, and we get that the volume of the cylinder is 81 pi. That is answer choice C. And there you have how to find the volume of a cylinder with its radius and its height. And that is the magic of math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day, and please come back soon.